Texas set a new record today for COVID cases reported in a single day. The state reported more than 75,000 total new cases. Nationally, COVID hospitalization rates are at an all-time high, and health experts say the pandemic, well, it's going to get worse before it gets better. Eyewitness News reporter Jordan Foster takes a closer look at what is happening here locally.
Conditions are starting to get critical in Bexar County.
This one caught us a little bit off guard, the fact that we're seeing so many hospitalizations for Omicron.
Like in other parts of the country, the hospitalization rates here are climbing.
Even though only a small percentage of patients with Omicron are getting hospitalized, a small percentage of a huge number is still a big number.
Dr. Robert Leverance is the medical director at UT Health San Antonio and has sat on the county's COVID task force since the coronavirus pandemic started. He says, fortunately, many of the people being admitted into the hospital with COVID-related symptoms this time around aren't getting as sick as before. But don't be fooled.
Some patients are still getting very sick, and some patients are still succumbing from the virus.
Many of whom are not vaccinated. And now city officials are working to get more help to the healthcare professionals working around the clock as hospitals get close to being overwhelmed.
Each surge has its own unique features. And one of the unique features of this surge is that we really have low staffing levels compared to previous surges. Are we at an overwhelmed situation yet? Not quite yet, but we are worried about it. And if hospitalization rates go up much more for COVID, we could be in that scenario.
He says the best thing you can do to help at home is to get vaccinated, boosted, and wear your mask around others. Jordan Foster, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.